Ooh.
Yeah.
Hey guys, Chevy, Chris is over here again. We're gonna stuff the motor and tranny in the Caprice today. We got, couldn't find the yoke, so we got a piece T-can. It's a black tape, that'll work fine. Got some motor mounts, thanks Bob McCarroll, I appreciate that. Got this finished up, everything's ready to go. So, yeah, I think we're ready to stab it.
Are we though?
No, I mean probably not, but I think I'll bring it over more once it's I think. Alright, just take it easy. When it bounces, the cherry picker breaks in half. We've had that talk.
I never was try to save myself
from laying in it. I'm gonna try and level this out a little bit. Put some jack and salve on the thread. Okay.
You're up against that? Yeah.
Yep, 4. Well, the battery died in the camera while we were dropping the motor in, so we didn't get it sitting down. But there it is, sitting on the mounts. Chris is down there, bolting the cross member.
Up in the wheel.
Ooh!
That sucks.
Oh, surf and turf. Rolled his mullet up in the creeper wheel. That's terrible. Anyways, so yeah, we just got to bolt this thing down. He's putting the cross member in it. So I will stick you down there with him. Oh yeah guys, I forgot to tell you, I got a whole bunch of eBay parts today. Well, this is Adam, so I'm gonna throw that on the shelf with his LS stuff, but he got himself a JDM tack. I got sweet aluminum throttle return bracket and a front motor mount and a number 8 AN braided line and a chrome accessory kit for the small block and a filter for booger hook and some other stuff. So yeah, got some parts to start putting stuff together. Hey guys, Chevy and Chris here again. Got the motor dropped in this thing. Got a lot of the accessories on it. Got the starter wired up. I gotta extend the wire for the alternator. Somebody cut it off short, but got the headers on. Power steering, alternator, all the pulleys. I need to find this bracket. I don't know what I did with it. Well, this one didn't have one, but I have several of them somewhere. Training lines on. Oh, we just got the carburetor and stuff sitting there, but we got the distributor dropped in and the oil pump tightened down. So yeah, spark plugs, plug wires, a little bit of plumbing and electrical. We could probably light this thing half a day. So anyways, that's where we're at now. Probably the next one we'll be able to hear it run. That'll be pretty cool. So anyways, thanks for coming back, and hit the like button down below, and make sure you hit subscribe and share with your friends. We really appreciate it. All right, see you later.